Hey there, welcome to today's video. So, let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. Our friend here installed a new Android Studio, but ran into a compilation issue with their project. Despite migrating from CAP to KSB and having the right configurations from the start, nothing seemed to work. Frustrating, right? Well, let's see what solution we can find for this problem. So, the solution lies in a couple of key steps. If you're using CAP, start by selecting Gradle JDK JBR17. Then, make sure to add specific configurations to your app level build.gradle.kts file. This includes setting source and target compatibility to Java version.version_17, defining the JVM target as 17, and adding the Kotlin JVM toolchain 17. These settings ensure that the right compiler and toolchain versions are picked up by AES and Gradle. Looks like specifying compile options and Kotlin options alone might not be enough in this case. In summary, we've covered the problem of project compilation issues in Android Studio and provided a detailed solution involving adjusting configurations in JDK settings. Remember, staying on top of these setup details can save you a lot of headache when working on your projects. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. And as always, happy coding!